Hello and welcome back to Teslanews. My name is Marian and I'm your host today, and I'm covering with you the Tesla reservation holder policy that is just changed, and we will look into more data. So we will start with the Norway numbers here that look pretty exciting, as we see that Tesla is now having another batch of a lot of cars coming to Europe right now, being delivered in the Norway market here. And just as a reminder for those not following these numbers, in Q3, the VW group, so the entire VW group, was just really close ahead of Tesla in Q3. And we do know that Tesla as a company is not producing in Europe yet. So in this case, this was a very successful month for Tesla, or quarter, and we will see how Q4 is going on. Then you see a lot of stuff happening here in Grünheide, and as I always promised you, you will be surprised how fast they could maybe start producing cars here. For those that don't know, big projects in Germany are usually getting their permits by mid of the month. So that means we could see the final permit maybe by mid of December, which still would Tesla allow to produce the first cars by the end of the year as promised. So in the next point, I like to just correct from yesterday's video. The funding that Tesla is rejecting for the European battery factory here in Grünheide, there is a policy inside these fundings from the European Union, and they say that you have to have the first factory, the first batteries being produced of this kind, and nowhere else in the world. And that is the point where Tesla is not capable of getting the funding. So that is why they are rejecting it. Not because they don't like the European Union. It is just the point that they are already producing these new batteries in Cater Road in California. So there you go. That is the reason. So I just wanted to correct that. So it's nothing that Tesla doesn't like Germany or Tesla doesn't like the European Union. It is just a policy. And I mean, at the end of the day, Tesla can pay for this battery cell production easily. They do have enough money to do so, so it's not a big issue at all. Another topic is the Tesla service, especially in Germany and especially being in the homeland of VW Group. It is very important to have a big and good service quality, and that was an issue in the past month. And a lot of people were frustrated about the quality when you receive your Tesla, when you have issues with your Tesla. So that is something that Tesla is trying to work on, especially in Germany, which is a very competitive country when it comes to cars. And people are proud about their German car makers. So you need to have a very good service to convince people switching from other brands to Tesla. And in this case, from the 7th to the 15th December, people who are Tesla owners have the ability to apply for a phone call. They can give their feedback about their Tesla car, but as well about the service quality. And that this approach will allow Tesla to further develop a better service quality here in Germany. So again, it's just Germany, and the phone calls will be in English. So those people have to be capable of talking in English. But again, I think this is a very nice approach to get a better service quality and a better idea what people in Germany are expecting from Tesla, or what they would like to see from Tesla. So I do like that approach very much. The next topic is as well the service quality, or the reselling, of the Tesla cars. So there are a lot of people sometimes frustrated that the cars are getting better and better, which is actually making no sense. But when you buy a car 1 year later, there are so many new functionalities, etc. So the reselling market is actually insane. There are people in Germany saying, well, I buy your Tesla car after 6-7 months for the same price as you bought it, and then they are reselling it to Scandinavian countries where they get even more money. So these are kind of approaches where people are getting the ability, the opportunity to buy a Tesla right now from China, for example, and then once the new battery is in the Model Y here in half a year maybe, then you have the ability to buy a new Tesla again. So the reselling market there is a huge demand. A lot of people like to buy a used Tesla already. So this is a very, very interesting topic as well. For the next topic, we will go into the new policy where Tesla is actually trying to push out people that are really excessively trying to push their reservation back again and again and again. And I'd like to have your opinion on that too. So what Tesla is actually doing here is they don't have any issues with you ordering a Tesla. In this case, the Cybertruck is not in this entire story. It is just Model 3 and Model Y. So you order a Tesla, and then you say, well, I can't afford the Tesla right now because maybe you lost your job and you're waiting for your new job. Tesla won't have any issue with that. And they won't have any issue if you say, well, I still have to deal with a bank to get a credit for the car. No issue at all. But Tesla is now sending several thousand reservation holders in the United States emails because these reservation holders are actually pushing their reservation back and back and back again and again. And that is a big issue because Tesla doesn't want that the wait time, which is already more than 6 months for some models here, is being pushed and pushed bigger and bigger because these people are just pushing the reservation numbers higher and higher. So Tesla is now saying, well, either you take it or you just cancel your reservation, or we cancel your reservation. And I think that's a fair point. If you are the fourth or fifth time pushing back your car, then you must honestly admit that there is a reason for that. Either you want to have the tax credit, but this is a game Tesla doesn't want you to play, because it is not fair to all the other people waiting in line. And the demand is so big in the United States, and with a market share of 63%, they are able to do that with the customers. In Europe, I don't expect Tesla to do that because the market share and the people being convinced for Tesla, this needs more time, even though the numbers are very, very good in Europe, but the so-called competition in Europe is much tougher than in the United States. So I do believe that this is the right strategy of Tesla here in the United States, to push those people who are again and again pushing the wait time out, to get them canceled, so other people that are eagerly waiting for their Tesla are able to get their Tesla much faster. So thank you very much for being here today. I really appreciate your support. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing, and I will be back tomorrow with some more news for you. So take care. Thank you very much.